Hello everyone, this is Boholana Explorer RPH. Today I'm going to make a zine by the sea, and right after I'm going to clean the beach. Team sees I will clean up the ocean. So be with me and stay with me cleaning up the beach. I'll show you the beach. Wow. Thanks for watching. Hello guys. Good afternoon. Good evening, wherever you are. This is Boholana Explorer. So today, it's Saturday. I'm going to make a zine by the sea kasi nandoon lang ako lagi sa bahay kasi sa loob kasi umuulan today. So now I'm going to make a zine because I've seen my friend somewhere in UK na gumagawa sila ng mga bato-bato ba na zine ba yung tawag. So, see you sa aking gagawin later. Bye for now. My own zine by the sea, because I'm always inside the house today because it was raining. Now I'm This is what I did today. My Cambodian Zine Tower. Since all day rain and now it's a little bit dry, so I am out to make this by the sea to keep me detox from the internet. Oh, just bad luck. I'll show you the one that I make there by the stairs. This is earlier I am making, but it's far from the sea, from the water, so I moved to the sea. I'll show you my Browns beach here. So thank you for watching, guys. Till my next video. Bye po. It's cloudy today. So I'll show you now my finished product.